Simp!
Right? What a fucking simp.
Stalker alert! Stalker alert!
Like, but the how
Are we just like jaded as millennials?
What should I ask Vince? How much shifts or whatever.
Story
Oh my
by a
god,
true
I hate
story.
when it starts off inspired by a true story.
Oh, this
I
was
didn't even know.
by Pepe
Shit.
Diokno. Oh.
Who's that? Is he a famous director?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
I'm interested now.
That's a cute dress.
I love the color scheme and the
Sino
color.
mag-aakalang I could find love at this time?
We're doing the love scene again?
Oh, it's all love.
It's all love. It's a
It was a
Valentine
Valentine
series.
series.
Oh. Oh,
Ayun
okay,
pang
I read
malayo
the
sa
title now.
lahat. Laging mag-isa.
Is she supposed to be in this? No, it's not.
Pero somehow, I found you.
It's like, what's up? Put my face
Abiding by
mask
the
on.
rules
Hi, miss.
Of masking.
Do you need help?
Speaking English.
In case you need help, let me give you my phone number.
Oh yeah, sure. He's rich. He went to international school.
Okay.
He's from South. He's a Konyoke.
Someone dependable. Salamat, nandyan ka.
He's from DF.
Someone filled with so much joy.
I like the color grading so far. Very like typical commercial,
Oh my god.
low contrast.
Wow, you're doing great.
That's kind of
Yung
weird.
nag-push sa akin beyond my comfort zone. At habang nakikilala kita,
She gave herself her own haircut.
the more I realize
Josh, me.
Josh.
how much you deserve to be loved. So tonight,
See, that's cute.
I celebrate finding that someone.
And it's not him.
Watch, it's herself. It's Jollibee.
It's Jollibee. Oh.
The someone who was in me
Oh my
Ew.
god.
along.
Ew. Oh.
Wow!
Dancing.
Oh my god.
I want
It's a
to
self-love thing. It is.
Someone braver,
Alright, fuck this bitch.
stronger,
Hi, miss. Do you need help?
No, it's okay. I got this. Thank you.
more dependable.
Oh, this is nice.
Kaya ko nga pala, Mr. Fix-It. Salamat, nandyan ka.
Still weird.
Yeah.
Yes, borderline.
Bolder,
Oh, she cut her own hair.
With those scissors?
more loving. Dahil na-realize ko, I can give joy to others more. When I give myself the care
Ah, so it's a Zoom class.
And now it's
and the
back to
love
me.
that I deserve.
So self-love is Jollibee.
Yeah, it's a self-love
This is
thing.
good.
Love yourself. Order Jollibee today. Ooh.
Shooting his shot.
Leave him on red. Leave him on red.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh, she's doing the happy food dance. That's a good.
Yo, the taglines are on.
The messaging is on point.
Copywriter.
I need to know who this copywriter is.
This,
Dude, those taglines are on point, yo.
the more you love and believe in yourself, the better you can love and care for others. I mean, I feel like RuPaul said that like.
If you can't love yourself, how the hell
Who that?
don't love
Who
somebody
that? Who
else?
RuPaul?
You don't know who
Can I get
RuPaul
an
is?
amen?
Oh,
Kidding.
okay.
I just don't watch him.
We're gonna get canceled.
Creative.
That was really creative.
I
because-
actually like this better than the other.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's-
Made me less mad.
I like
know.
how it took you down one road and you're thinking it's going down this road and it just swerves.
Mhm.
And then you're just like, wait, what?
Yeah,
I like
it
the
brings
moment
you
when
in
they
and then
are
tugs you to a
meeting for
different
the
direction.
first time and have their like shields.
I love how he's like,
That's
I gotta look cute, putting my
how
face
they do
mask
it
on.
Yeah, that's how they that's how they have it in the Philippines. You gotta you
It's
have to-
required
you
here.
gotta do
You
mask
have
and face
to have
shield.
your mask
swag.
and your
Oh,
shield.
really? It's required to
Yeah.
have a
It's
face
required.
shield?
You gotta
Shit.
have mask and face shield in the Philippines.
Gonna
You
get
gotta have
caught
it.
now wearing it.
Should be
What'll
People get
happen?
caught wearing
required here,
one.
dude. For real.
What'll happen?
Yeah.
But America's freedom,
Oh,
according to the flag
Freedom.
behind Alex, don't tread on me. Don't step on snack.
Yeah, the story I think was getting really corny with the guy.
And the first
The
act.
beginning. The beginning
the
was
first
corny.
act.
I
was
mean,
like, come on.
it was like, again.
When was this ad aired? Like,
This year.
Valentine.
Yeah,
This
this
around
year.
Valentine's.
Valentine's.
So
But
last
like
year.
that's where
Last
it
week.
comes back to what I said. Like it leads you down a path, but then it just pulls you
Oh yeah.
to a
It's
different
like
direction.
it went from like super like needy, like
Cheesy.
LDR, like I can't do it LDR. They have to be here
To a
at all
strong,
times.
independent
Yep.
woman.
Oh, yeah.
To
I think
he's like,
this-
I don't need you. I can change my own tire.
I know. It's
I
cool.
think these ads, like COVID-related ads, are starting to like after a year of COVID, I think, like me included, and like people are getting like tired of like COVID everywhere, and like ads about COVID. I think that it will work less and less the more time passes.
Mm,
And it was
Yeah.
also probably they had to wear the mask in the thing
Yeah.
on camera.
For
Whether or not it was on
recording.
camera, it was just they have to.
yeah. I don't know. I always feel like, for me, when I see some new productions happening, I'm like, are they following regulations?
Or
Oh yeah.
true.
So yeah,
Because everybody's very nitpicky about it.
yeah.
Like I don't know if it's me digging deeper into the commercial, but like there's like underlying like messages in it. Like women
The
don't need
Illuminati?
men to do certain things. Like they could be independent, And then like it just I don't know if that's just me digging like deeper into the commercial, but like they portray
Strong independent
good-
chicken nugget.
Yeah,
Good,
it really
messages.
is about like the self-love and self-reliance, and then that kind of creates essentially what the tagline is. Like, the more you love and take care of yourself, the better you can love others, and also others, I think, will equally find you attractive in a sense.
Yeah.
Because especially like in my younger days, when I was trying to figure out like my own self-worth, I noticed that people can detect when I'm trying hard to be something. Like when I was trying to be cool and all that stuff, and it was just like buzz me off. Because when I try to put on this kind of show, I could feel the kind of like inauthentic energy in myself, and they can probably feel it too. Or if they're buying into it, like, either way, it was,
Probably got their own issues too.
yeah. So, but
Oh yeah.
yeah, the more I didn't give a shit about other people's opinions and more valued more myself in that sense in relation to this, it kind of reflected the back. Like the outer world became a reflection of within. Vision paradox.
I think I also like the use of color in this ad.
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah.
it's like a subtle branding you on each and every frame. It's like the
Yeah.
color, not too Jollibee, but you'll recognize the brand colors.
Yeah, there wasn't a
And
lot
I
of
think-
reds.
Yes, a lot of reds, but not like super Jollibee.
It's not
And
in
then I
your face.
also like the quick pan on the food. It makes
Yeah.
you like,
Oh yeah, the
as
minute I saw
compared
the
to
food.
like a longer focus on longer amount of
Also-
time focusing on the food.
And also her doing like the happy food dance, because that's what I do when the food's good.
Mm-hmm.
It's just like, it's just like, it's good. It's
Yeah.
good. It'll make you dance.
Yeah, definitely like a nice use of the softer shadows. It made me really feel like it was Marvel, because Marvel has a lot of vibrant colors, but they reduce the shadows.
They
Yeah,
do.
it's good.
So yeah, I mean everything you guys just said. Would you guys buy it?
Yeah.
Always.
Yes, I'm gonna buy
For
it.
some-
Spaghetti.
For some reason, the previous ad made me like this ad made me less want to order something. This did not have the same effect as previous ad for some reason. Maybe because there was less focus on eating. I don't know on showing products.
Yeah.
And since I recently canceled my YouTube Premium subscriptions, I'll add the new criteria of like if this ad,
Will you skip it?
will I skip this ad on YouTube? And
Would
I
you
think that's kind of an ad I would easily skip. And
Well,
like,
it's 3 whole
Yeah,
minutes.
especially
I
the
would
first
skip
Yeah.
it.
part.
Yeah.
I would
it
skip.
because of
I
the
would
first
skip
part.
any ad. First of all, I would try to
Yeah.
skip any ad.
Me too.
But if
Anything more
if
than
I know
14
it's 3
seconds,
minutes
skip.
long,
Oh,
I will
yeah.
still skip
There
it.
are
Waste of
very few
time.
ads that I actually like watch.
The ones that don't let you skip it.
No,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Me too.
Sometimes
I watch it as
ads
well.
do catch like attention.
Yeah,
in,
like
first seconds.
yeah,
But
like,
this is probably TV ads.
These aren't even ads. Like these are just
these are
they-
traditional ads.
Yeah, they're like they're uploaded to like Jollibee Studio. So these are just like projects that are product placement.
I mean, what I like about it too is that, especially in the social media landscapes, that they're not just trying to create YouTube commercials consistently. They're creating a story around their brand.
Oh, yeah.
Because how annoying would a YouTube channel be if it was always like a commercial, like a traditional TV commercial?
I mean, a Jollibee.
So
And
like,
Jollibee dancing.
Afternoon.
like why Jollibee is this? Top 10 reasons, like influencers reviewing. You know how annoying would that be? But this is almost like
Oh, yeah.
creating a TV show around it, kind of.
Jolly
And-
afternoon.
Like short films
Yeah.
revolving around
So-
Jollibee.
In regards to the branding, I think it was pretty solid. I mean, another great story, but in terms of, I guess, the target demo, it really wouldn't hit me because I'm like not on a first date and all that other stuff. The other one definitely was more relatable because, you know, I'm part.
Let's fuck that bitch.
Because Max and I are in a long distance relationship, but yeah, because it goes to like the whole like the creative is the variable. Like you can't do one story and assume that it hits everyone. You know,
That's why
so-
they released 3.
Yes.
'Cause
I'd
they
say
got-
that's really
One for
mediocre
someone.
ad compared to what we've already seen in previous episodes.
Fair. But erase all that. That doesn't exist. What are you talking about, Alex? We never watched
What?
anything. This is the
Huh?
first
Where am I?
first time we're doing anything.
What are we doing?
And that's how I hired all of them. They just showed up in front of the computer.
Con.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything
the
else
con
before we move on to the
company.
next one?
Yep. Let's go. Jump
All
in.
right.
Ash, get it.
I need a hero.
I suddenly realized if somebody approaches you and you're doing something nowadays, you're not
Oh,
gonna
I'm
you're
not
not
gonna-
even gonna talk to the person. You're like
Yeah. Where's my
I'm good, I'm
mace?
good.
Yeah,
I
that's
would-
what I thought too. Like,
I would
that's
take
Where's
gonna
my
be
mace?
that's gonna be my reaction. I'm like, I'm good.
I would
Where's
take out a
my
whole
baseball
yardstick and be
bat?
like, "You're too close, sir."
yeah. What made it a little cringy
And
at
it's
the beginning?
creepy if somebody just randomly asks your number. You're gonna say why? What for?
Just in case you need any more help, my number.
What?
It's like, simp.
Right? What a fucking simp. that
Stalker
we just
alert!
met her.
Stalker alert!
Like, but the how
Are we just like jaded as millennials?
Ask Instagram.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
has-
We're just
Fuck.
jaded as
Like-
millennials.
Like how he was kind of there watching everything was kind of weird too.
Bro, like before they transitioned to like, oh, it's an independent woman person, like that whole exercise scene, I'm like, who the fuck would watch someone exercise? That's creepy as hell. I was like, all right.
Unless
the-
he's
the-
also a personal trainer.
Yes,
Yeah,
but
that's,
like,
that's
like
gonna
the,
be an
the health-
exception.
Trade.
I mean,
That's true,
type
that's
is,
an exception.
Like, normal.
Yeah.
Like this
I
one's
was
like
supposed to ask
abnormal.
something. Is he a personal trainer?
Yeah, is he an actual personal trainer or
He just wants to get
Because
personal.
it's creepy if somebody's
He wants
watching.
trainer
you.
It's like-
personnel.
just like you're doing great.
I mean, it's one of
Bro.
those. It's like freaking Twitch.
Now
People
do
watch
downward dog.
people watch streamers
around.
Twitch just like sleeping.
Sleeping. Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but there's this one Twitch streamer who would like he makes so much like all
He makes
the when people
$16,000.
when people like use like bits and stuff and it like it literally will jolt him awake. He loses sleep, but he's got muns.
But
Forget sleep.
I'm in the
Gotta
wrong
choose
Twitch
one.
business.
All right.
I don't know why you went into gaming, B-Rock.
I know I should do sleep streams,
You,
mukbangs.
you should just do reaction videos with me.
The mukbangs, reaction videos, or
Oh yeah, mukbang sir.
Oh, mukbangs.
I'm a
I'll do
gamer
it.
though. I'm a gamer.